Hey y'all, hope you're having the best day, night, weekend, whenever you see this. I hope it's great. If you are on a financial diet, maybe don't watch this. I found really good deals. Alright, so according to our Joann's receipt, we paid $59.74 and saved $50.71. Y'all, for real. Okay, spiced sugar plum. Originally $24.99. We paid $5. 3-wick candle. 13 ounces. For whatever reason, Christmas was more cheaper than fall, but whatever. 3-wick burgundy, salted pumpkin. On sale for $7.98. My husband loves the pumpkin. And the spiced sugar plum is strong, so I'm going to put that in like the main living room. We have pets, so no smokers in our house, but definitely. Oh my goodness, the pets, right? And this time I picked up this pair for me and my daughter. You get a 2-pack. And this time, so they were originally $10.99 a pair. And today they were $2.20. $1.10 a pair. And they're so soft. Stretch headbands, create your own. These ones are cotton, so we'll be able to tie-dye. We will not be able to sublimate. Clearance, $3.47, and it rang up $2.78. Get 2 of them. My daughter started in new school, so we'll definitely go gold and black on them for her. I would like to learn how to use the rhinestones like everybody, so maybe we'll get there. She's redoing all kinds of little things in her room and on her desk. I just thought this would be cute. It was back in the clearance section. I'm actually going to hold off for like Valentine's to give this to her. It'll just be a nice little thing that day for her. So $11.97, and today we paid $9.58. And it uses batteries. You don't plug it in. She loved the planner inserts that I grabbed, so I grabbed another one for next year. $6.47 on clearance. Today we paid $5.18. I haven't seen these before, and they were back in the clearance section, so okay. It's iron-on, of course. We get 3 feet of it. Holographic blue, holographic translucent blue, $12.97 each, and they rang up on clearance $10.38 each. Cricut never goes down extra, and it did today. Did we need any of this? I needed the candles. Like I said, if you're on a financial diet, this is not the video for you. I am so sorry. I had kind of a hard... I had like the worst Christmas ever. Really, we did. And then I had like a really hard week back at work this week. And my daughter changed schools. That went well. We did our yoga every morning. I think that kept us sane. Now this weekend, we're going to craft the weekend away, y'all. I can't wait to come up with an idea for this. So Cricut, right? $10, 38 cents. I should be better at math. It's 3 something. $10, 38 cents divided by 3 is $3.46 a foot, a square sheet. I know that's still expensive, but I'll be able to just put it in the machine. It's the smart material. I won't have to put it on the mat. It's reflective, holographic. I'm excited to try it. Leave me a comment. Have you tried it? I told at Six Bows Back I'm going to spend more at Dollar Tree because I feel like my dollars are going to go farther. The things I bought at Dollar Tree today, pretty great. These are the only Dollar Tree Plus items I grabbed. The birdhouse was $5. You can see it's quite large. It's sturdy. Doesn't feel flimsy. And of course, the crate worked so great for the paints. We're going to just clean up that whole paint shelf and it's going to be streamlined. These are the only Dollar Tree Plus. So $3 for each of the crates is $6. $5 for the birdhouse. The birdhouse, no, we didn't need it. It's just cute and it's going to be fun. It relaxes us. The crates for the paints, they'll be organized, they'll look nice. So I knew the 90s were back when my 14-year-old daughter asked for vines for her room. Thank you, Dollar Tree, because Lord knows I was not about to pay $20 for a garland at the Joann's. That's why I was in Joann's. I got 6. So 3 of these, 3 of these, and they are 4 foot each. 6 times $1.25. $7.50? Y'all, we'll get better at math eventually. Today she had like the ripped jeans and the cool boots and I don't know, it was so 90s, y'all. They're textured, y'all. Like, I wonder how they're gonna feel on our feet. So I got a pair for me, a pair for my daughter, and a pair for my son's girlfriend. Ah, so cute. But I mean, they're indescribable. You can see that, right? They're like one of those mop cloths. Ah. Oh goodness. This morning we had a big mess of cat food. And my daughter had to run all the way up here to get my little one. So I'm going to put like where the pet mess is. I don't know. All I know is $1.25. Thank you. They saved us this morning because we still got out the door on time. What would you Cricut on there? If you see these, would you pick it up? They're little ceramic watering the paints I'm not going to worry about. The little ceramic though. Little paints. Oh. Let me know what you think. These ones do not feel flimsy. The floating. I got 2 of each, and then these ones, they feel not flimsy, but like, you know, they would not last if they fell. But I really liked the iridescent, and I'm going to give these 2 to my daughter to craft with. My husband plays card games with the neighbors, so I'll do J for Jeremy, my husband, M for Marv, and E for Aaron. They'll love that. Now, if I do well, I'll do the box too, like Josie does. Ooh. And then I got 2 of these wood rounds. I feel like I did a heart last year, but I don't remember. I picked these up last time, and my daughter liked them so much she wrote them on the board. 10, so you must get 5 of each. I don't know, I didn't have any. So I grabbed her 2. Powerade, 130 calories, wicked amount of sugar, 31 grams of sugar. No wonder she liked them so much. My dogs meet me at the door when I get home from the store. I don't normally buy them these, but I grabbed them this time. They were out of the ones we normally grab. They loved them. The big dog chewed on the little dog's version of this, so I grabbed another one, and I know he'll love it. I didn't let him see it. Batteries. And then, have you seen these? Like, we're going to be able to, like, hang up the mops and the Swiffers and stuff. Maybe. I don't know. For $1.25, I'm going to find out. I grabbed 3 of them. Would you grab that? It holds 2, it says. Like, it was in the garden section. It says it holds rakes. I don't know. We'll find out. Oh, and the last thing. I got her for her new locker. Magnetic list pad. Weekly to do. I got myself some colored index cards. I go through index cards quite frequently for work notes. What do you think? Well, I probably spent more than I needed to. I can't wait to get organized with the haul. I can't show you that haul because my husband kind of works at the end of it, so I'll take pictures sometime when he's not working. We both work from home. Thanks so much for watching. Leave me a comment. I hope you have a beautiful day.